Are you ready to take your home theater experience to the next level? Today, we're diving into the JBL Bar 9.1, a premium soundbar system that promises true 3D surround sound with Dolby Atmos, detachable wireless speakers, and a powerful subwoofer. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The JBL Bar 9.1 is not your ordinary soundbar. This 820-watt beast delivers room-filling sound with true 9.1 channel surround sound. And the best part? No messy wires. The rear speakers are detachable and rechargeable, meaning you can place them anywhere for a real cinematic experience. Sound quality is where this JBL Bar 9.1 shines. With Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, it creates an incredible 3D soundstage that makes you feel like you're inside the movie. The 4 upfiring speakers bounce sound off the ceiling, adding depth and realism to your experience. This soundbar isn't just about movies, it's also a music powerhouse. With Apple AirPlay 2, Chromecast, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, you can stream your favorite songs in high-definition audio. Plus, with HDMI, ARC, and 4K pass-through, it seamlessly integrates with your home entertainment setup. Let's talk about bass. The 10-inch wireless subwoofer delivers deep, punchy, and precise low-end performance, perfect for explosions in movies or bass-heavy music tracks. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of the JBL Bar 9.1. One of its biggest strengths is the true 9.1 channel surround sound with Dolby Atmos, which creates an immersive 3D audio experience. The detachable wireless rear speakers add convenience and flexibility, while the 10-inch subwoofer delivers deep, punchy bass that enhances both movies and music. Setup is simple, and with multiple connectivity options like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, and Chromecast, streaming your favorite content is effortless. However, there are a few downsides. The rear speakers require frequent recharging, which may be inconvenient for some users. Additionally, the system lacks dedicated EQ settings for fine-tuning the audio to your personal preference. Despite these minor drawbacks, the JBL Bar 9.1 remains one of the best soundbars for a cinematic home theater experience. So, is the JBL Bar 9.1 worth it? If you want an immersive home theater experience without the hassle of wired speakers, this is one of the best soundbars you can buy. It's a fantastic choice for movies, gaming, and music. Highly recommended. What do you think about the JBL Bar 9.1? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews.